Hello, this is Danny Kim from RSNAV. Today I would like to compare RSNAV S3 versus the most popular competitor's product. Both devices were set for maximum volume output, and it's the same file they have played, and everything is played in default. So I think you might want to wear a headphone to see the difference. So the first was the competitor's product, and then the later was RSNAV S3. For the competitor's device, the bass is more profound thanks to their DSP, but there's a lot of clipping on the high voices. That's partially due to that the sound amplification is too much for the competitor device, whereas RSNAV played it more clearer. Well, there was a clipping near the end if you listened carefully, but in general, RSNAV S3's maximum volume is much lower than that of the competitor's device, so it's naturally playing music with less clipping. But when I limited the volume to the 70%, and then uh, interesting thing was still you can hear a lot of clipping for the competitor's device. So I saw a comment from somebody on our Facebook community that he tried both this product, I mean competitor's product, as well as RSNAV S3, and he commented that the competitor's device has generally poor sound compared to RSNAV S3. That's I think that's because there's a lot of clipping in general on their DSP settings. So I think it can be regulated if they tune their DSP much better, but it seems they are not yet that keen to adjust their software. At the same time, for RSNAV S3, yes, it's not, well, it's incompatible to digital sound, but it sounds just, I would say, above the average or doing the average, but still, in my opinion, it's far more inferior. So for the RSNAV S4, this device will be the first RSNAV with the optical and the coaxial digital audio output to eliminate all the noises problems and the any ground loop problem. At the same time, I'm trying to include the ground separated digital to analog sound converter, so that even the analog output from RSNAV keep the superb quality thanks to all the digital transmission within the RSNAV system. So in the end, S4 would have the ultimate sound for everyone, and S2 and S3 customers would be able to upgrade their device to S4 by replacing the motherboard and the main harness, and we will be offering the kit. Thank you.